guys, what's up today? I just want to let you guys know this is spoof. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? It's coming so fucking excited! So, I'm just going to get right started, so let's get started. So, it came in about this big of a box, but she has had like a littler box in there. Let's get started. So, I had to go into the box to get my invoice. And here is the invoice. It says Parker extras included. I'm not gonna say my songs yet, but here's what it says: Parker extras, and then it says Parker R extras blank slime $1. Blank slime $1, blank slime $1, and blank slime $1. And oh, there's her Instagram account. Don't go looking on there because it's not her real Instagram account. So at #SlimeGirl, and that thing, of course, everybody has that. So without further ado, so I already had opened it. Let's open. Whoa! So she said, I'm going to do all the extras. She said all the real slimes had labels on them. My slime smoothie. And that's all. Let's do the other extras. So she did give me some shaving cream. Let's see if there's any shaving cream. Yep, shaving foam. So that's that. Oh, she sent me brown beads. Brown. Oh, because she watched my video on saying that I'm going to be making a brown slime. So thanks for those. Oh, cotton candy scent by Body Fashionist. Wrong. I'm gonna make this. It's perfect. Ooh, the last extra that's. Oh, it's like is this vegetables. Let you guys look at that. Do something real quick. And box to make sure. So here are all the slime extras that I got. It's grape scented. Have a chair. I saw this one, girl. Nah, I'm not gonna. Oh, let's start with this slime. This jumbo slime. Jumbo, come here. OMG, how did she get this color? Oh my gosh. She only sent me one slime ingredient. Hand sanitizer. Oh, 2, I guess. Something like that. 3, pretty much, because you can add hand sanitizer. Yeah, fragrance. Oh, maybe it's body fragrances. Yeah, duh. No, duh. I was just like, this is actually a really good slime. She said don't mind the containers because I'm her first customer, and that her mom won't let her sell her expensive containers. So, she said 3 of the slimes are the same, and I'm guessing it's these ones, so we'll only do one. Oh, there's a bead in there. It's green. I wonder if all those ones are different colors. We're just not gonna look. We'll just look. Oh, look at all of these, right? So, which one's which? One of them has a red and one of them has a light blue one. Let's move on to this one. a yellow bead's in this one. Where'd it go? Right there. Looks like a green bead. Oh shit, shit. Okay, let's move on to the first one that I ordered. Light grape. I gotta check some slimes. Yep, this one's it. That's so glossy. Look at that, guys. It's the second biggest slime that I get, but actually it is pretty big. Like, it is like, I always think it's like so weird how like you think this is little, but then when you take it out, it's like, this is really good. I wanna do something. I don't care. I know it's not bad, but I just want to do this. And it rises. I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay, guys, so here it is, and this one is scented like mint snow. That's like a really good scent. Like, oh no, I was reading wrong. Snow mint. Whoops. And it like is scented like. I just want to like take it. Oh, whoops. I'll be back. Okay, guys, just look at this. I like been playing it with it for like a while, and it's like got like I'm in love. Like I figured like this was gonna be like a scam. No, honey. You can go ahead and like if she's watching this, you can go into the I served you. Like I told you, like I served you, man. Like I'm like I don't know if it'll fit in a container. It's like I did like the thing where like it comes up. Like I've been playing with it so much. This is really good song. Blue. Oh, OMG. It's like these teal glitters, and then there's also like foam. OMG. And this one is scented like cotton candy. Oh my. I'm surprised she didn't scent it with grape. The like grape one, but. So I guess that this was cotton candy. Like my mom you use cotton candy in red, and it was cotton candy. It was blue cotton candy. I'm like, whatever. That's okay. Oh, this one, like, the bomb. Okay, next one. Yes. Show the next one is light blueberry. Nope. Over here. And this one, I already saw it. It's grape. I'm like, wow. This is the life. Like, I would send this one at mint snow, and then I would send the grape one, grape, and then I would send the blue one, cotton candy, bro. And then the one that she left unscented, for scent allergies. And her smoothie is scented with them all because she mixed them all together, except she like makes a big tub of them, and then she said she mixed them all together, so it's all in one. But that's just my opinion. But her opinion was, nope, I'm not gonna go with the label. Nope, why do we have to go with what it's called? I do agree. Like that is a good way to do it. Grapes. Put this back Okay, let's move on to the next one because like we really need to. Let's go. This one is left unscented. It's called Poop. It doesn't have any scent. It smells like shaving foam. It's a butter slime with foam beads in it. And that's a rubber band. Nice. Butter. Oh, it doesn't spread like butter, but whatever. We'll go with the flow. I think this one's hard. Like, it accidentally got hard. So, like, this container is a little bit of pressure on it. So let's go on to the next one. Now, the last one that I bought is Slime Smoothie. Oh, jeepers. So here it is. It's in cotton candy, grape, and mint, snowman, and last unscented, which is not really, and an unscented slime. Let's see the foam beads from. Hey guys, it's just like a little bit tougher because this is slime smoothie, so I don't really care, but it is like really stretchy. Like, look at that. That's just like amazing with all the foam beads and. I wonder if it has beads in there. Oh yeah, for my my sensitive body fits in there. Who cares? And she says, I bought the limited edition one because those were scented, so probably from an unscented slime. Yeah, she does have a Sun and Planets one, like a Mars and Planet. Those ads are Planet series. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and post notifications. Comment below, #PQueen. Bye guys. And today should I go to Ling and Kiana. Bye. Interesting. Bye.